The new CEO of YouTube, Neal Mohan, is already causing quite a bit of turmoil within the YouTube community. And that's because of his stance on crypto and on NFTs and on Web3. Now, some people within YouTube have already reacted, right? New YouTube CEO is scary. Not everybody likes it. Not everybody made money with NFTs. Some people call NFTs even a scam. I think it's a very positive thing for the YouTube community that somebody that owns 2 Bored Ape NFTs is now at the helm of YouTube, right? It's very unlikely that he's going to suppress crypto content. It's more likely that he might even roll out crypto positive features. It could potentially happen. So I think this is very positive. There is, of course, a mixed bag in terms of track record for him, at least in my opinion, right? On the one hand, you've got the positive things such as the launch of YouTube Shorts or the launch of YouTube Premium. That's very positive. On the other hand, you also got the failure at suppressing the scam crypto comments under YouTube. You also have the removal of the dislike button count. So there's good and there's bad. The reason probably why he got chosen is because of his background from DoubleClick, right? So before he was CPO for YouTube for the last 6 years, he used to work for Google. But before that, he used to work for DoubleClick as SVP, as Senior Vice President. And then DoubleClick got acquired by YouTube, right? DoubleClick used to be a large advertising company, got acquired by Google. Then Google ran this within its whole umbrella. And then Neal Mohan moved to YouTube afterwards as CPO. So I think overall, right, we as the crypto community, we should be very happy about this. So far, there isn't a lot of discussion within crypto Twitter, for example, around all of this. I hope this might change very soon. I think it's good news. I think this will help crypto adoption overall, and it might help also in the end the Bitcoin price and everything that's correlated with this. If you're wondering where you can discuss all those news, right? If you're wondering where you can find more details around this, feel free to check out the Discord channel and the Telegram channel down below here. Looking forward to see you there and looking forward to see you in the next video as well. Bye-bye.